Welcome to our roundup of the best car air pumps. Practical and efficient tools designed to keep your tires properly inflated anytime, anywhere. Maintaining correct tire pressure is essential for safety, fuel efficiency, and overall vehicle performance. A reliable car air pump can help you quickly inflate tires, handle emergencies, and avoid unnecessary trips to gas stations. Modern air pumps come with features like digital displays, auto shutoff, portable designs, and multiple nozzle attachments for added versatility. Whether you're on the road, at home, or dealing with unexpected low pressure, these tools make tire maintenance easier and more convenient. Let's take a closer look at some of the best car air pumps available right now. Starting with the Craftsman car air pumps, this model is a dependable option known for its solid build quality and consistent performance. It typically offers reliable inflation power suitable for car tires, bicycles, and other inflatables. The unit often features a durable design that can handle regular use without wear issues. Many versions include a simple interface that makes operation quick and straightforward. Its portable size allows easy storage in your car's trunk or garage. Additionally, it delivers steady airflow for efficient inflation. It also provides consistent pressure output, easy handling, and dependable results for everyday tire maintenance needs. It also enhances user convenience, improves inflation speed, and ensures stable operation during repeated use in different driving and weather conditions. It also increases durability, supports long-term usage, improves motor efficiency, and maintains consistent airflow performance even under extended and frequent usage scenarios. Stepping up in performance, the Keen Power car air pumps offers a versatile and portable option designed for both convenience and performance. This model often includes a rechargeable battery, allowing cordless operation without relying on your car's power outlet. It typically features a digital pressure display and auto shutoff function for precise inflation control. The compact design makes it easy to carry and store, while multiple nozzle attachments increase its usability for different inflatables. Many users appreciate its fast inflation capability and user-friendly controls. Additionally, it provides reliable and efficient performance for daily use. It also supports quick tire inflation, improves portability for travel use, and ensures accurate pressure readings for better safety and driving comfort. It also enhances battery efficiency, supports longer runtime, improves charging convenience, and delivers stable performance during repeated inflation tasks in various conditions. Moving on to the Ovid Power Tire car air pumps, this model is known for combining strong performance with practical features. It typically includes a powerful motor that delivers fast inflation for car tires and other inflatables. The device often features a clear digital display along with preset pressure options, allowing users to achieve accurate results easily. Its compact and ergonomic design makes it convenient to handle and store. Many users appreciate its quick setup and efficient operation. Additionally, it delivers consistent airflow and dependable performance. It also enhances efficiency, reduces inflation time, and provides stable operation for both emergency use and regular tire maintenance tasks. It also improves motor reliability, increases airflow consistency, supports longer operation cycles, and ensures dependable performance even during continuous and demanding inflation usage scenarios. Stepping up in performance, the Astro AI car air pumps offers a strong balance of power, accuracy, and convenience. This model typically features a digital display with precise pressure readings and an automatic shutoff function to prevent overinflation. It is designed for fast and efficient inflation, making it suitable for cars, bikes, and sports equipment. The compact design makes it easy to carry in your vehicle for emergencies. Many users also appreciate its built-in LED light for nighttime use. Additionally, it provides reliable performance and ease of use. It also improves safety during night emergencies, enhances usability, and ensures consistent inflation performance across different types of vehicles and inflatables. It also increases visibility in dark conditions, improves user control, enhances measurement accuracy, and maintains stable performance across extended and repeated usage situations. Taking the top spot is the Eatonwolf Vortex S6 car air pumps, a powerful and advanced option built for high-performance inflation. This model typically offers fast inflation speeds and strong airflow, making it ideal for larger tires and demanding use. It often includes a high-capacity battery or strong power connection for reliable operation. The digital display and smart pressure control features allow accurate and effortless inflation. Many users appreciate its premium build quality and advanced functionality. Additionally, it delivers excellent performance and durability. It also provides superior efficiency, faster inflation results, and long-lasting reliability for heavy-duty usage and extended performance and challenging conditions. It also maximizes power output, improves airflow strength, supports continuous heavy-duty operation, and ensures consistent high-level performance across demanding and professional usage environments. All of these car air pumps serve different needs depending on portability, power, and features. The Craftsman model offers reliable everyday performance. The Keen Power Pump provides cordless convenience and flexibility. The Ovid Power model delivers strong performance with practical features. The Astro AI pump balances accuracy and usability. And the Eatonwolf Vortex S6 stands out as the most powerful and advanced option overall. That wraps up our list of the best car air pumps, from compact portable units to high-performance inflators. If you're looking to improve tire safety, handle emergencies, or simply keep your tires properly inflated, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which air pump you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car accessory reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and keep your driving safe and stress-free with the right air pump.